What's going on, everyone? What I have here is the Beats Studio 3 wireless headphone, the SKYLINE collection. This is the midnight black color with the gold accent trim with the Beats Gold logo. I really like this two color tone, so that's why I picked out this particular one. But before we do unboxing, let's take a look on the outside of the box. It's a very nice design box. And in the back here, Studio 3 wireless Bluetooth, pure adaptive noise cancellation, ANC off for low power mode, battery up to 22 hours with active noise cancellation on, and 40 hours with active noise cancellation off. So that means if you're not using active noise cancellation, this headphone will last 40 hours. That's pretty good. Fast fuel with 10-minute charge, you can have 3 hours of play, control music, and manage calls with built-in wireless microphone. Wow, that's pretty cool. And on the bottom, it seems like it comes with the 3.5 millimeter plug cable with the controller, and the charging cable is a USB type A to micro USB. So it's not even a lightning connector or a USB type C connector. All right, let's open the box and take a look at the headphone. Let's put that aside. Well, I'm excited to see the headphone, how it looks. Okay, change the way you hear sound. Very cool. Beats logo. Alright, here's the headphone case. It's a hard case. Very nice material. See what else here. You got this easy pull out tab, so you don't have trouble removing stuff inside the box. That's a good idea there. See what else we have. Okay, we got the warranty, 1-year warranty booklet, safety information. We got Beat stickers, and I guess this is the instruction here, booklet. Okay, show you how to pair the headphone and how to use the control, the button to press play, pause, and answer and call. Okay, let's put that aside. What we have here: 3+ hour play, 10-minute charge cable, fast fuel. It's the USB type A to micro USB charging cable. And we have here the carabiner, so you could right here you clip onto the loop and then clip onto your backpack and carry it around. But it's a pretty big case here. You don't want this case to hit back and forth, so I wouldn't clip it on my backpack. I'll put that aside. And what we have here, okay, we got the 3.5 millimeter plug cable with the volume control up and down, and to answer a call. This cable, just in case your headphone run out of battery, you can use this to still listen to music. That's awesome. Let's put that aside. Now let's put it aside too. Let's take a look at the headphone. The case is made up of genuine leather, so that's pretty good quality there. That's awesome. let's see. All right, can't wait to see this headphone. Wow, that is nice. That's a nice color, 2-color tone there. Okay, the ear cuff, it's genuine leather. It's pretty soft. You extend the headband down, and it's very flexible. So yeah, if you have a really big head, this would still fit. And the band on the bottom of the band here, it's genuine leather. It's like a soft kind of foam. Should be pretty comfortable. And we have the left and the right indicator. Wireless right there with the gold trim. On top, you have the Beats wording. On the other side, Studio 3 with the gold trim, and the Beats is with the gold Beats logo. And let me see, right here, let's check. This is the right side. So on the right side, you have the power button with the 5 LED indicator for the battery status right there, and micro USB charging port. On, I guess this is the left hand side. With the left hand side, you have the volume up and down control. Let's peel that off. You click up for volume up, click that on the bottom for volume down, and click on the Beat logo to play and then to pause, and then you click on it twice for forward, and then click on it 3 times to reverse, go backward, and click on the Beat logo and hold to activate Siri or Google Assistant. Okay, depending on which iOS device you're using Android or you're using Apple iOS. And right here on the bottom, you have the 3.5mm headphone jack. Just in case your headphone run out of battery, you could use that jack, plug in directly into your phone to listen to music. And this is a Bluetooth status light indicator right here for pairing. And on the bottom inside here, I guess that right there is the microphone. So I'm gonna try out this Beats Studio 3 wireless headphone for a few weeks. Then I'm gonna have a full review videos for you guys. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channels, click on the notification bell to get new videos update. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.